大きいの着てます。ここでいいですか？
はい。
Damn. Here we go again. Okay, I got on heavy. Colors in that buffer
Okay. Alright. Well, a batch of fresh Bape boxes to let you know. Back to work.
I don't think they ready.
What's going on? It's Bapetown, back with another video. Alright, well, let's open these bad boys up. The Hugo Mr. Bathing Ape collection. So we got Hugo of Hugo Boss. Mr. Bathing Ape of Bape. Alright, so we're gonna start off with the socks. Now, I didn't cop everything because, well, I'm not gonna spend $50 on some camel draws. Stank booty ass.
Roses are red, violets are blue. My booty stank. How about you, fat pants ass?
So my bad, guys, I'm not gonna open these up all the way. Gonna ship these off. What comes in two pairs, black and white. Got Big Hugo and Mr. Bathing Ape on the leg. And same thing on the black. Yeah, there goes the socks. I don't get too excited for socks, but yeah, it's just me. Hugo Mr. Bathing Ape logo tee. And there it is. Got the patch right in the center. That's a pretty solid patch. Got some thickness to it. An all red size tag. Oh, that's surprising. Only one tag. I think we all used to Bape having multiple tags. And it's not that heavy kind Bape always uses. Much softer. Kind of reminds me of the Bape Collab.
Can you share with me your secret to good parenting?
I would say you just have to wing it. My sisters and I are on a group chat, always getting parenting advice.
But they don't get advice from me. Can I get on that chat, please?
And here's the back. Got the Hugo Mr. Bathing Ape. Apes together strong.
Apes together strong.
Oh damn, look at that. Almost missed it. Got an ABC camo green tag at the bottom. Nice little detail. Well, there goes one of the tees. What y'all think? Okay. Time to open these big ones. What are these? Oh damn, these are Skatestars. I didn't know I was gonna get these today. Okay, damn, we're gonna do a review on these too. But first, let's do the Hugo. More Skatestars. Skatestars again. Okay. Damn, where's the Hugo at? You know what? Let's just go ahead and review the Skatestars then. So we got two colorways. Bam, here they are. Got the red colorway.
Spell red.
LSTER.
So this drop's theme is that distress, that age, that vintage look. Let me see if I can give y'all a good look with this lighting. All the white parts got that cracked, distressed leather. Toe cap, eyelet roll, heel counter. And probably the first thing y'all notice, we got that yellowing on the midsole. It's a pretty clean shoe. Red on the toe box, Bapesta logo, heel tab. Black quarters, black outsole, got them with the cream laces. Oh yeah, for sure, I rock these. What y'all think? Bam! The yellow colorway.
God damn!
You can really see the distress details on these. Bad boys look dusty.
You look dusty.
But hey, that's the whole thing about the vintage look. Still clean though. Got the yellow one on the midsole. We got them brown quarters, and similar to the red ones, we got that black outsole. You know, sometimes yellow be off-putting.
But it's so bright and yellow, I can't look.
With these, they hitting. Now the main difference between the two colorways is on the yellow, on the toe box, is suede. On the red colorway, just regular leather. Overall, a clean set of Skatestars. Which one you rocking? And like always, all available on the site. Here they are, rest of the Hugo. Alright, we're gonna start off with the shorts. I got all the sizes hung up here. Kinda interesting how they have it packaged up. Maybe it's just me, but it kinda reminds me of dry cleaning. And here they are. Off top, customized hanger, Hugo Boss. We got that wool material, kinda like slacks or dress pants. Real smooth. Detailed drawstrings, Hugo, Mr. Bathing Ape. We got that ABC camel green tag. And on the left side of the shorts, we got that patch. Anything on the back? Nope. A smooth set of shorts. You know what? Let me try these on. Damn, these shorts are long.
Fat pants ass boy.
And this is the smallest size. I usually wear large and sharp shorts. You know those high fashion brands models be talking about some head ass. Nah, I'm playing, they cool. The second and final tee, the Hugo Bape pocket tee. We got that pocket with the Hugo Bape camo, and right on top, we got the Hugo Bape patch. Now you're gonna get a much better look on the back, but that Hugo Bape camo kinda remind me of the Bape check pattern. And here's the back, almost fully covered in that Hugo Bape camo. Similar to the Bape check, you got lines in different directions, a nice little detail, you got Hugo written throughout the entire camo. And just like the black tee, you got Hugo, Mr. Bathing Ape, Apes Together Strong on the back. Alright, we on the Bapestas now. Ooh. So just like any other Bapesta collab, we get a customized box. All over Hugo Bape camo, with the Hugo Mr. Bathing Ape logo on top. Oh damn, look at that, we get a customized dust bag. Past few Bapesta collabs, you just get the regular one. That's a pretty good screen print. Oh, you might as well go all the way with it. Customized Bape cards, that's cool. Extra red shoelaces. And here they are. The Hugo Bapestas. Got that majority black with the hits of red. And it looks like on the toe box in both quarters, we got the Hugo Bape camo. And y'all probably already peeped it. You got the Hugo Mr. Bathing Ape red tag at the end of the Bapesta logo. Not really similar, but kind of remind me of the Bape Coach collab with Coach's Rexy character on the style logo. Overall, it's alright Bapesta. But personally, it's not one of them I got to have type Bapestas. You know, since Hugo Boss, known for suits, I think these shoes would be kind of clean with the all black suit though. Then you can be talking about some head ass. Well, there it is, you guys. The Hugo Mr. Bathing Ape collection and the latest Skatestars. What y'all think? As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!